Ah, what a beautiful, pleasant morning. The birds are singing, flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, I should probably be doing Squiggly Show. Okay, shut that window. Alright. Come on, Rick.
Hi everybody, my name is Rick Squiggly. Well, you probably already know that, but okay, welcome to the Squiggly Show, episode 16, I think. So, this lesson is about birds in their natural habitat. Let's go. Well, actually, can't really do anything outside because right now it's really snowy. Okay, so we're just gonna let's just talk about some birds. Okay, so now I will be listing off some of the birds that live in the Televisio region or something. Okay, so we got Fluttershy from My Tiny Pony, and Diablo. Okay, and we got Tweety Bird, Twitter Bird, and Large Bird. That's okay. I think that's it. That's all the things that you need to know about birds. Don't step in bird poop.